this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your password of your Metamask wallet. So for those people who do not know Metamask is a crypto wallet. Basically, you can store your crypto in it. It basically works as, Trust wallet, but it is mostly based on Ethereum, all right? So just keep that in mind. You can also use other network, but it is morely dependent on Ethereum. So just keep that in mind. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit Metamask official website to know more about it. Let's jump right into the video. This is on how you guys can, change your password. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before you want to open the app, you want to click on this three line over here and you want to go on where it says setting. Once you go on setting, you can go on where it says security, and in security, you want to go on change password. Once you go on change password, you want to enter your current password and click on confirm first. So I'm going to do that. After you do that, you want to click on confirm. And if the password is correct, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can change your password. Once you're over here, you want to enter your new password. Enter the new password again and click on I understand the MetaMask cannot recover the password for me button over here. After doing that, you want to click on reset password, and basically your password will be resetted. So that's basically what you do for your mobile. And for those people who want to change their MetaMask password on PC, unfortunately, you guys can change your password on your, MetaMask PC. Basically, you need to download the MetaMask app if you guys want to change your password. So yeah, for those people who are trying to change it from PC, you guys can. Sorry for that. Just download the app and follow the step which I just showed you, and you should be able to change your password in MetaMask. If you guys do not have a phone and you guys need to use your PC to change your, wallet's, password, then basically what you can do is you can download BlueStack, and from BlueStack, you can download MetaMask wallet just like this over here. I'm using BlueStack. After downloading it from BlueStack, you want to open it, and you can, basically use your mobile phone or your PC. And once you do that, you can just download it and change the password like I showed you. So that's another way if you guys want to change it on PC. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys